So good morning everyone. So today in this video we are going to talk about the differences between active and passive absorption of the water. So for the active water absorption, root will play the important role. Okay, so roots are essential. Okay, for this process. However, in case of passive water absorption, roots are not essential. Okay. The second difference is active. The word active and passive will only tell the difference. For the active water absorption, metabolic energy is required. Okay. So the active water absorption, the metabolic energy is utilized. And for the passive, it utilizes solar energy. Okay. So this is the second difference. The third difference is the active water absorption is independent of transpiration process. Okay. Transpiration process. Okay. Whereas the passive absorption will take place when the transpiration is high. So transpiration is high, so then only the passive water absorption will happen. Okay. The fourth difference between the two processes is the active water absorption helps in well watered soil. Okay, well watered soil, whereas the passive water absorption will occur in soil deficient soil also. Okay. The next difference is active water absorption is occurring where the process osmosis. Okay. Whereas the passive water absorption, the water is absorbed due to the force developed by the transpiration pool. So transpiration pool will happen in transpiration pool, it will help in passive water absorption. Okay, passive absorption. The sixth difference is the active water absorption is responsible for 5% of total requirements. Okay, so this process is responsible for 5% requirement of plant. Okay. However, all the other type, like all the water requirement is met by this type of absorption. Okay. So all the major water requirement is fulfilled by the passive water absorption process. Okay. And the last difference, since we have already written here that active water absorption requires the metabolic energy, so naturally it is influenced by this process. The process of active water absorption is influenced by metabolic inhibitor. Okay, because it is consuming the metabolic energy, so metabolic inhibitor will definitely have influence on the active water absorption. Okay. And since it is not utilizing the active water absorption, the inhibitor, they may play a little or indirect influence. Okay, because directly there will be like no utilization of metabolic energy, so it will not impact it in the major way. However, inhibitors are inhibitors and they are known to inhibit the processes. So they will have either little, very little or indirect influences. Okay, so these are the 7 differences between active water absorption and passive water absorption. Thank you. Have a nice day.